A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling from the U.S. District Court in Massachusetts, Judge Angel Kelley has issued a preliminary injunction preventing the National Institutes of Health (NIH) from implementing planned funding cuts that could have jeopardized crucial medical and scientific research across the country. This decision comes as a relief to numerous universities and hospitals that had raised alarms about the devastating impact these cuts would have on their budgets and ongoing projects. The controversy stems from a policy change proposed by the Trump administration, which aimed to cap indirect funds, money allocated for essential operational costs, at 15% of grant dollars. This cap, according to the NIH, was intended to redirect more funds towards direct research costs, thereby enhancing the nation's scientific output. However, critics, including coalitions of democratic states, universities, and medical associations, argue that this change would disrupt the financial stability of research institutions, forcing them to absorb the cost of maintaining research environments without adequate support. Judge Kelley had previously issued a temporary restraining order, highlighting the potential chaos that could ensue should the NIH proceed with its funding changes. In her ruling, she noted that the proposed cuts could threaten thousands of existing grants worth billions of dollars, affecting ongoing research and clinical trials vital for patient care. This notice impacts thousands of existing grants, totaling billions of dollars across all 50 states, a unilateral change over a weekend, without regard for ongoing research and clinical trials, she stated. The judge emphasized the necessity of maintaining the status quo until the court could fully address the matter, citing the considerable chaos and confusion that would arise from institutions trying to navigate the new policy individually. The NIH's rationale for the funding cap has been met with skepticism, as many fear it would lead to the halting of life-saving clinical trials and innovative medical research. The preliminary injunction granted by Judge Kelley ensures that the funding mechanisms remain intact while the legal challenges proceed, providing a much-needed safety net for researchers and institutions reliant on federal support. This ruling reflects a broader concern about the future of medical research funding amid shifting political priorities, and it underscores the critical role that federal support plays in advancing scientific discovery and public health. As the case unfolds, stakeholders from various sectors will be closely monitoring the implications of this ruling and its potential impact on the landscape of medical research funding in the United States. The NIH's proposed policy changes have sparked a national debate about the balance between administrative costs and the need for robust funding for direct scientific research. Advocates for medical research argue that the U.S. must remain a leader in scientific innovation, and ensuring adequate funding for research institutions is essential for achieving that goal. The outcome of this legal battle could set a precedent for how federal funding is allocated in the future, influencing the trajectory of medical research and its contributions to public health. As this story develops, it highlights the intersection of politics, science, and funding, and the ongoing struggle to secure necessary resources for the advancement of medical knowledge and patient care. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.